what's good? Yeah, what's good? Oh, hold on, let me just lock my car real quick. Let's go, dude. Yes! Here's the thing, when you're gonna book me to do your wiring jobs, I usually charge about $200 an hour. I like to leave the wires exposed in case you ever gotta access them. Here, I'm gonna actually leave everything like this. Like I said, it's easier for you to access, so I always keep in mind easy access. We all like easy access. We're gonna put that on that side, and those lights are gonna be functional, 100% functional. All right, we gotta call up the light guru, the guru of wiring. Hey, brother.
What up?
How's it going? So we have a problem. I have some lights with 4 cables, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
I don't came to the right place, bro.
Hopefully we can figure something out. How's everything? Oh, look, by the way.
Sorry, bro.
I'm hurt. Those look really cool. Dang. I got a sneak peek. Oh my gosh, I just saw the weirdest thing. How does he get in there? How? In what way that makes sense physically can this wasp, the size of like the top side of my pinky, get in there? There's no possible way. This is pretty much closed off. What? I'm so confused. What? I look weird. Sorry. All right, we're gonna jack the car up real quick because we gotta get back in there. Look at the wires from the Morimoto headlights. You can see what to wire what where. We're first gonna wire this DRL up, and then we're gonna do the other side once we know what we're doing on this side. There you go. Boy, if you don't... Dude, there's so many zip ties and tape. Like, you know that's how I've been here before. All I see is zip ties on zip ties. The cables are super long, so that's a really good thing. Alright, I got it all opened up. These are the cables that we connected from your previous DRLs. We also don't know which ones. Is there any way to find out like which one's power or ground or whatnot?
Yeah, you can just hook them up straight to the battery if you want.
Should we do that? Do you think that's the right move?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. So do I just put all of them like in the positive?
No.
I'll be back. Oh, there you go.
Okay, so that means that green is gonna be your ground.
Nice. So green is ground. Oh, that's so sick, dude. We are electricians, my friend. So should I now try like a yellow and see what happens?
Yeah, so when you do the red one, what color LEDs did you get?
All white LEDs.
Okay, so try green on ground again and then do the yellow.
The yellow, okay. Yellow. Oh, these are yellow turn signals.
Cool. Are they sequential?
I can't show you. Hold on. Hold on, I don't want to die. Hold on. Yo, and they match the Morimoto because the Morimoto turn signal is yellow. And these were yellow. That's dope.
Damn.
I don't think, yeah, the cable's definitely not long enough to be able to hook it up to the, not the battery, but the fuse box over there.
The fuse box?
Yeah. Or I could make it, I could do that. I have like extra cable over there. Oh, it's a poor connection. Dude, look at that storm, bro. And just like that, it stopped raining. It's time to work. So we did figure something out. Where are the oh. So I actually stopped recording when we figured out what the blue cable did. So if you tap together the blue cable, which we didn't know what it did, with the red cable, which is the DRLs, the lights actually turn blue. Very weird. First we thought it was just going to kind of enhance the white LEDs, but no, there's no white, this is blue. So we don't care about that cable, we're gonna probably cap it off or something like that. And we just gotta worry about the 3 remaining ones. But what I'm most worried about is, here's the thing. I can't get, why am I worried? I can't get over it, but I mean, it kind of looks good, bro. Look at that. I don't remember if this is properly done. I really don't. Alright, what is up, family? So, last video I did mention something. YouTube blessed us with this little button. I'm gonna talk more about it because it's super cool, but if you go on my channel right now, you scroll down, whether you're on your phone or your computer or whatever, there's a little thanks button. It's like if you ever watch streamers, you can donate. This is basically the same thing. You can go ahead and donate to the channel. Everything's gonna go back to the channel, so you don't have to, you don't want to. I just want to kind of put it out there because it's really cool, and this really helps creators. So the fact that YouTube kind of put it in our channel, truly blessed. With that being said, enjoy to this video. These are the old cables from the LEDs. What we're gonna do from these cables, we're going to use the black, which is ground, and then the green, which is blinkers. And then instead of connecting it to the red here, we're going to find the red from the DRL. Could go directly to the fuse box that's over here to get a constant power source, but I don't want to have to. I mean, we could. Remember when we had a G35 and the wires burnt and I said I was never gonna work on wires again? Okay, so right now we should have turn signals on the car. Or maybe if I click the unlock button, it's gonna, where's my keys? Let's see. Oh, let's go. I wonder why those two are working though. You see? It's like yellow. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Every time I lock the car.
Let me see. I can't see it.
Oh, my bad. Alright, the other DRL's down there where it's gonna be hooked up. Yeah, so it's doing that weird thing, which isn't a problem. Because, I mean, it's kind of cool that whenever you lock the car, or, I mean, it just does that little cool thing. It shows the white LEDs and yellow LEDs, but the weird thing is, it never did that when we connected here to the battery. So what I'm thinking is, there's something in this big bundle of wires is touching, and that's why that's happening. Or that's just how it happens, but it's weird that it's happening outside, and now when we connected it just purely to the battery over there. It's not a horrible problem. A lot of you aren't even gonna notice if I don't mention it. You're probably gonna see that and be like, oh, that's normal. And it's kind of cool because it shows two colors. I'm just happy that it's actually working properly. That's super dope. And what I love about it is the yellow lights go with the top yellow lights with the side yellow lights. Oh, and I was thinking I'm gonna buy the Morimoto side markers because this one's getting pretty old. I mean, look at that. And it's, yeah, it's not good. It's really not. Taking out the old tape. Taking out the old tape. And we gotta do what we just did one more time on this side, and then what I'm gonna do, which I don't know if you guys heard I was talking to Matthew about, instead of running the red from the DRL and finding out here which the wire is, I already know where the wire is or what fuse we gotta go into. So I'm gonna get some cable, extend the wire, connect it to the other red cable from that DRL, and then those two are gonna go right to the fuse box. I'm gonna show you, but that's gonna be a lot less complicated, like 100%. All right, so dude, I've literally filmed every single video I've done so far at night, and it's weird because I hate filming at night. But before we go any further into connecting this side with this one to make everything work properly, you have to go ahead, do the same thing we did on here in the last video, which is drill the holes, plug in the fins, and yeah. Something I was thinking I had to do was, on this side you have this big ol', what do you call it? Windshield fluid, which I'm 100% sure I'm gonna have to take out when I do my intercooler. So, you know what? I might try and take this out right now. Let me see. Yeah, I'm actually gonna take this out right now, actually. There's a 10 mil right here, 10 mil right here, then another one in here. It's two. So sometimes in life when something doesn't fit, you just grab the world's smallest ratchet. It'll work. Alright, gonna disconnect the sensor right here. What the heck, how am I gonna get this down? Okay, so this randomly just fell, and it makes a lot more sense. It detaches to like the mouth at the top. So I'm just gonna disconnect these wires and whatnot down here, and then it should be out. So much easier than I thought. There we go. Now that's one less thing we're not gonna have to do with the turbo install, and way more space for turbo piping. That was pretty lame. All right, all holes drilled. We should be good right there. You know what's incredible? When you just go out happy to film work on your car and it starts raining. That's the type of guy Florida is, or girl. I'm back inside. Okay, looks like we're good, right? All right, we're good. Good amount of time has actually passed since the last time I worked on this car. If you guys did not see the last video, go watch it, but we did a vlog in Daytona Beach. We were there for like 4 or 5 days, I believe. But the last thing you saw from this video, we actually took off the wiper fluid reservoir. I keep forgetting what it's called. Now we have a lot of free space. We ended up putting the first fin on here. All that is done, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up putting the fins on this side and then start wiring things up and just figuring things out. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I am getting swarmed right now by dragonflies. Look at all this. What is going on? Why are they all up on me? I'm like hiding. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Dude, the amount of dragonflies, right? What in the world? Okay, they're leaving. Get out of here, bro. There's at least 50 dragonflies in the air right now. First hole of the week. I was getting there, but it started raining again. Let's go. 5 minutes later, we're good. Florida's just kind of like, you'll be working hard, take a break, let me rain a little bit. 5 minutes later, I stop raining, you can get back to work. It's weird. We have a weird relationship. I don't know. Something I was a little worried about with these lights and me having to take off the front bumper to install the turbo can intercooler and whatnot, and just in general, taking out the front bumper from time to time. So, since I'm wiring up these lights to the headlights, I don't want to have to like cut cables and whatnot every time I want to disconnect the bumper. But I found out that if you turn it on right here, there's like little screws. I can pretty much unscrew this one, and this little bracket comes out, and it allows me to actually pull out the LED through the back of the headlight or the DRL. So we should be good in that sense. So gotta use more plugs, and then also heat wraps is gonna be much better this time. And let's get into it. Both lights should work when I press the lock button. Let's go. Look how sick that is. Ooh. Oh, it's good. It was good. Oh, hold on. Let me just lock my car real quick. All we gotta do now, pretty simple. Obviously, like we know, we're gonna leave the blue out of this. We gotta go ahead and wire up the red to a constant power source. Wiring is probably the most boring thing to see. I don't know why I'm putting you guys through this. So I'll just show you the final product, because it's pretty boring. Like yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the final product. Yes. Day 10 of waiting for Donda. All right, as you guys can see, if you didn't know, the 370 has like a big fuse box right here, and this red cable was actually from the headlights, which just disconnected. This from the headlights, this is actually the DRL. They're gonna go ahead, wrap the cable that we have right now around this fuse, which is 2 fuses right here, and it should work perfectly. Let's see what we... It's been pretty smooth so far, not even gonna lie. Please work, please Lord. Allow it to work. Fuses in. So now, here's the deal. You guys are gonna see it before me, but I'm gonna press the on button. Headlights are gonna turn on along with the DRLs. So that means these should also turn on. So you guys are gonna see before me? Let me know. Here, yo, I'm so nervous. Please work, please work, please work. Are they working? Tell me they're working. Let's go! Let's go! Dude, I am starting my own wiring business, just saying. Dude, let's freaking go! Yes! Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the headlights. Let's see if the DRLs are gonna work, but let's see. Let's go, dude! Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. What in the world? Yes! disconnect the wire that we fished from the other side to this little red one, and we good. We still have not done this side, but when wiring the cable to the DRL, I kind of use these clamps, as you can see right there, that the bumper comes with for the mesh. We're not using the mesh, so we zip tied it right up there, then used the little clamp right there, and just kind of moved it in the inside of the bumper. Because what I was thinking at first is kind of just put it straight and then crumble up all the wire right behind the DRL. But from the side, you would see a straight cable going down. Pretty weird. I kind of don't like it, so why not use those little clamps that we're not going to be using? Yes, sir. Fuse box work done. No water's going to get in here, especially when I put back all the plastics. There's a cat. I just saw a cat. Why is there a cat here? What are you doing? I didn't think about this, but the lights look so OEM-ish and it gives the car such like an exotic OEM look. Like, it looks incredible. I had the Nismo bumper with the aftermarket DRLs. Those do not compare anything like this. Like, these look legit. I mean, oh man, you guys, I showed plenty of B-roll before this clip, so you guys saw. It just gives the car such like an exotic, high quality, high-end look. I absolutely love it. Oh, we did it. We finished the very last part. Okay, look at this thing. You're really gonna sit here and tell me that isn't from like Mars? But that was basically the very last part to the bumper. We got the lights, we got the fins, the carbon fiber fins. We pretty much got everything. The only thing that's left, which isn't really supposed to be done with the bumper, is cut out the rear when the turbo kit is installed. But until then, we have a lot of really cool mods, including one that starts with Apple and ends with Play. With that being said, if you guys have not yet already smashed that thumbs up button, I love you guys. I can't stop staring at this car. It looks so freaking good. If you enjoy the content, smash that like. I love you. I really do. Peace out. And as always, hasta luego. Oh, don't forget, hit the notification bell to know whenever we upload banger after banger after banger after banger.